How to turn on daily screen time on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on daily screen time on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy. Then just scroll down until you find digital well-being, and here you will find daily screen time. Just click on it and select here anything you want, and then click turn on and select any password here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.